welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new awesome paper airplane. The paper airplane is a new design and it flies very well. To make the plane, you need a piece of US letter side paper. If you don't have US letter side paper, use A4 paper and it should work as well. First of all, let's flatten the paper down and fold the paper in half. We will fold the paper in half this way, so match this, use this corner, and this corner is a preference, so fold this way. And adjust it. Okay. Next step, let's fold the paper in half again, this way. Okay, and then start from this upper edge forward to the center crease. I call it the center crease, but right now it doesn't look like the center crease, but you open the paper, you see it's a center crease. So I fold this part of the paper down, then I flip the paper over. I start from the same step, start from the upper edge forward to this crease. Okay. Alright, so this is what we have. When I open the paper, I will have just look like this. So this is what you see on this side. So turn the paper over, you will see the paper look like this. Okay, it's look very nice, like an awesome plan already. Okay, you see this one. Okay. Next step, let's turn the paper over and start from this edge inside first out. Repeat the same fold for the other side, so do it this way. Okay, and I will turn the paper over. You can see this edge. I will fold this edge to the center crease. And I repeat the same fold for the other side. I fold it to the center crease. Okay guys, so you have the paper airplane look like this. You have it look awesome, right? Okay, now I will turn the paper like this, so I can show you the next step much easier. I need to adjust it here first. Resistor. Okay, the tip here is needs to be a little bit heavier to have the plane fly. So what I'm going to do is to start from this tip. I will estimate about 1.5 inches, and I fold straight down. Actually, I will not fold 1.5 inches. I just fold it about 1 inch. So I fold it down like this. Okay. So I will have a paper airplane look like this. Okay. On the following step, I will start from this edge. I fold it to the center crease. Okay. When I fold it to the center crease, I will have the wings look like this. Okay. And I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay. When you flip the paper over, you will see this part of the paper. Okay. This one is very cool. Look at this from this side. Alright, so this part of the paper, here, I will first match this edge to the crease out here first. So we just match it a little bit. I'll fold it like this. I just match it now. Actually. Okay, so this is what we have, and this looks very cool. On the following step, I will fold the paper in half first. Fold in half. And then I will start from this upper edge and fold to the edge below to create the wing. And I will show you the next step. Okay. This is what we have here. And repeat the same for the other sides. Okay, does look nice. Okay guys, so this is a new paper airplane. I really like the shape of it. Look at this, the wings, the tails. To make sure that the plane will fly, you can fold the end of the wings up a little bit to create a mini elevators and stabilizer. So I just fold it up just a little bit like this to ensure that it will fly well, but I will not fold too much because it will break the shape of the plane. So fold up. Okay. To make sure that look nice, you can fold it a little bit more so it's more like a stabilizer and have the plane fly up. Okay. And here you go. This is a new paper airplane. I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friend, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.